Relying too much on one person can quietly weaken your independence and delay your growth. When someone becomes the center of your world, you may begin to depend on them for validation, decisions, and even happiness. But true strength, emotional, spiritual, and intellectual, comes from standing firm on your own foundation. Learning to rely on yourself doesn't mean rejecting help. It means developing resilience so you can thrive even when support isn't available. Independence doesn't mean isolation. It's about balance. When you take full responsibility for your dreams, you begin to think creatively, act courageously, and solve problems with confidence. You stop waiting for others to rescue you and start realizing that God has already placed everything you need within you. This self-leadership mindset transforms challenges into stepping stones, teaching you multiple ways to succeed instead of depending on a single fragile source of help. In education, leadership, and personal development, this principle is vital. No one is irreplaceable. When you keep learning and growing, you become adaptable and unstoppable. You gain the ability to adjust to life's changes with wisdom and maturity. Healthy relationships complement your growth. They add value but never define your worth. True partnership strengthens both sides without creating unhealthy dependence. Spiritually, the Bible gives us the perfect perspective. Proverbs 3:5-6 reminds us, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will make your paths straight." God must always remain the ultimate anchor of your life. When you rely too heavily on people, disappointment is inevitable. But when you trust God, your confidence becomes unshakable. So, build connections, but let your roots grow deep in faith. Learn from others, but let your wisdom come from above. Love people, but let your ultimate dependence rest on God alone. When you put him first, you'll walk in strength, peace, and purpose that no human absence can take away. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Victor Muhumuza Ministries.